Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to publish notes in Messenger. Tap your profile picture, open Notes, then create a new note by tapping the plus icon and typing your message. Add images, tags, or links, set audience and privacy, and choose to pin or schedule the note if available. Preview your note, then tap Post to share it with friends or groups who can reply and react quickly. Start by opening Messenger and locating notes in your profile or chat. Tap the plus icon to create a new note and write a clear, concise message. Use emojis, images, or links to enhance engagement, and tag friends or groups where relevant. Choose privacy settings carefully, such as friends, group members, or public, then preview the note. Finally, schedule or post immediately and monitor reactions and comments to engage quickly. Adjust privacy to control who sees your note, choosing friends, group members, or public visibility. Edit or delete notes from the Notes section if you need to update content or remove outdated posts. Use pinning or scheduling to highlight important notes and maintain visibility at optimal times. Regularly review reactions and comments to moderate and respond, and consider archiving older notes to keep your profile organized and focused now, please.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.